everyone, my name is Susan Sadek and I am the Change Lead at the Administrative Appeals Tribunal. I am excited today to discuss the transformational changes we are implementing. My role involves leading and managing initiatives to continually improve our processes and adapt to evolving needs. For those who are not familiar with the Administrative Appeals Tribunal is an independent tribunal in Australia that provides a merits review of a wide range of administrative decisions made by the Australian government. It reviews decisions under Commonwealth, Norfolk Island laws, aiming to ensure that decisions are fair, just, and made in accordance with the law. AAT role is to make the review process accessible, economical, informal, and quick, and helping individuals and organizations challenge administrative decisions and seek remediations. Today, I want to talk about a significant change initiative we are undertaking. The change initiative we are undertaking is a significant change initiative to enhance our efficiency and effectiveness, transitioning from paper-based process to a fully digital environment. This shift involves implementing advanced digital documents management system, adopting electronic filing methods, and leveraging the cloud-based communication tools. Let me talk you through the proposing change initiative. During the objective phase, our change initiative will focus on modernizing from the operations by replacing the paper-based process with digital workflows. By introducing the electronic tools such as cloud databases, which can be Microsoft OneDrive at this stage. The implementation phase will introduce these electronic tools to make it easy for you. Considerations will be helpful and we'll be carefully planning the strategic implementation, which is crucial for sustainability. Ensure successful adoption of new electronic communication practices across all our organization. Let me take you through the positive influence of the change on AAT. Transitioning to a paperless system at the AAT enhances efficiency by speeding up information retrievals, reducing the costs associated with the paper and physical storage. It improves accessibility, security, and compliance while supporting the environment sustainability by lowering the paper waste. Additionally, the digital system streamlines operations and offers scalability for the future needs. To effectively manage this transition, we are using Lowen's change management model, which includes 3 stages: unfreeze, change, refreeze. Lowen's change management model is a framework that outlines a structured approach to organizational change through 3 stages. This model emphasizes the need to prepare the change, implement the change effectively, and then solidly the new side to ensure it becomes a permanent part of the organization. Our communication strategies can initiate by kick-off the announcement, outlining the reasons and the benefits of the change. Educational sessions and workshops and training sessions, focus groups, and feedback sessions can develop the visually engaging and informative materials, such as some brochures, infographics, and FAQs. The unfreezing stage will help us to create awareness of the need of the change by involving the stakeholders from the beginning, engaging the current leadership through the commitment by early stakeholder engagement, by creating focus groups, listening to their fears, trying to address it, and address the resistance among the employees to their leaderships, so who may be reluctant to adapt to the new paperless and electronic documentation management. Communication campaigns, training sessions, and workshops to educate the employees about the paperless initiative and data security risks and the benefit of adopting the secure communication behavior will be in the organizational in this stage. During this stage, the organization aligns new practices with core values and implementing new digital solution replacing paperless practice. Systematically offering tools like Microsoft Teams, OneDrive for collaboration, electronic signatures for document management. Then refreezing is stabilizing the change by locking new behaviors and practices into daily operations. During implementation, the focus is on illustrating a day in life without printing and promoting the use of alternative tools and resources. This phase includes update the policies, procedure, the matrices to support the paperless initiative and ensure that the secure communication practices are there. A change emphasizing culture integration and alignment with the organizational values for long-term sustainability. While the loans model focusing on overcoming resistance and embedding new behavior through clear communication and training, yet maybe require additional emphasis on ongoing culture integration and the leadership alignment. Leadership style required in AAT. The leadership style necessary for this change initiative is complexity leadership, which includes three broad types of leadership: administrative leadership, enabling leadership, and adaptive leadership. The proposed transition to an electronic document system will streamline the operations at the Administrative Appeal Tribunal by enhancing the efficiency, reducing the cost, and improving the environmental sustainability. AAT deals with these complex and varied administrative appeals, which require a leadership style that can implement the change successfully in AAT. Leadership complexity theory emphasizes the need for dynamic, adaptable leadership that fosters the innovation and collaboration to navigate the complexities and the interdependencies within modern organizations. The first thing they look at consistency in decision making. The administrative leaders ensures that the decision-making process are standardized and comply with legal requirements. Other things they look at is adaptability to changes. Adaptive leadership allows the organization to respond to changes in laws, policies, and public expectation effectively. One more thing they look at is the collaboration and innovation. So enabling leadership fosters a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement, essential for handling the diverse and evolving cases. All right, team, let's dive into our strategy for addressing marginalized and non-human stakeholders in our digital transition. First off, we need to focus on those stakeholders who are not as tech savvy. We will start by identifying these individuals through surveys and feedback analysis. Once we have the data, we can create tailored training programs, think hands-on workshop, and simple, easy to follow guides. We will roll out the new system into phases to help build their confidence, and we will have ongoing support available for them. A dedicated help desk person with user-friendly resources will be crucial for them. At the same time, we need to address the environmental sustainability. We will start with an impact assessment to see how this transition can reduce paper usage and energy consumption. Exactly, by engaging with a sustainability expert, we will make sure our new system aligns with eco-friendly goals. We will integrate best practices and monitor the environmental impact closely. Let's also discuss how the SDG can be integrated into our operations, specifically through our paperless initiative. By adopting the SDG framework, we not only enhancing the sustainability and operations efficiency, but also improve the resources management and reduce our environmental impact. This approach will contribute to the tribunal overall effectiveness. It's all about aligning our workflow with reasonable environmental practices. So integrating the SDG will help us to achieve the sustainability targets, enhancing the efficiency and supporting our commitment to the environment responsibility. Let's make sure we keep this at the forefront of our transition strategy. Our transition to a paperless system is designed to boost the efficiency, cut costs, and support the environment sustainability. We want to make sure all the stakeholders on board with this exciting change. It's a great opportunity for everyone to embrace a more efficient and eco-friendly approach. We're rolling out our hashtags to spread the word: paperless office and digital documents. And let's not forget our slogan: go green, go digital, and embrace the paperless future. Here is a quick summary. The AAT is shifting to a paperless system to improve efficiency and sustainability. This move will cut down on paper waste, streamline document management, and support our environmental goal. It's all about accelerating the processes and aligning with the commitment to a greener future. We are encouraging everyone to get excited here about this transformation and make the most of it. Here to a smoother, greener future. Let's make this transition a success. Let me propose for you the change communication plan. The change communication plan will include different things: communication channels, stakeholders involved, the frequency of the communication, the features of effectiveness, the responsible person, the due dates, and the status of the communication piece. So the first communication piece will be the Tech Connect newsletter, and that will be sent to all the organization. It will be sent on a weekly basis to update them about the change. So this will be sent by the change management analyst on Tuesday, 6th of August, and which already has been sent. The other one that we will talk about is the email. So we have a first email that will be sent to all the leaders of the departments. This will only be sent once, and the leaders will be aware and start planning for the change. So the person will be sending this, the change management lead. This will be sent on Monday, 5th of August. The second email will be sent to the leaders and their teams. So get to know them, to know about the change, let the team get involved and engaged about the change. The person who will be responsible to send this change is the change management lead, and it will be sent on Monday, 19th of August. Another piece of communication we have here is the SharePoint news. The SharePoint news will be published to all the organization, and it will be published only once, but it will stay on our intranet for 1 month. This will make everyone will be aware about the change and read more about it and knows all the support people. The person responsible about doing this change is the change management lead, and on Monday, 26th of August. We have also another thing that we will be doing is piloting the leaders as champions. So we will pilot this change to the leaders first, and then the leaders will be announcing and training their teams on how to use the change. So this will be happening on Monday, 2nd of September, by piloting the change. After discussing the change communication plan, I would like to thank you for your attention and dedication. I'm really excited to onboard this transformational journey with all of you. Let's make it happen and lead the way to the brighter, paperless future. Thank you.